To start off the lamelo cut, bro, we're gonna go ahead and start the bonus right here from the bottom of his vertical bar, and we're gonna go in with our magic clip all the way closed, and we're gonna follow this line right here and follow it to the end of his vertical bar. We're all the way closed. Now we're just gonna go ahead and follow that line. Now we're gonna go ahead and go lever open. We're gonna do 1/2 inch, and I want the darkness to start right here at the corner of his lineup, because if we take it way too high, when we line it up, it's gonna be dark on the lineup and then light, and it's just not gonna flow well. So we want to keep darkness from where this lineup starts to back here. So we're gonna go lever open all the way, 1/2 inch up. And if you guys are wondering why I don't shave off the bottom, is because it creates contrast. So when the fade is all said and done, I'm able to see more imperfections that way. You guys should try it out next time you guys fade. Behind the ear, y'all might have to switch. Instead of going straight up and down, you guys might have to go this way, just because that's where the hair pattern is going. You guys want to go against the grain. All right, now that that's said, we're going to go ahead and smack up our half guard. We're going to use the 1.5, but this time we're going to close the lever just a tad bit below halfway. And the reason I do that is just because I feel like when the blades get closer together, it gives a sharper cut. So it lets me cut a little faster. And now I see that the 1.5 left a little left dark spots below, so we're just gonna go ahead and color match and start closing the lever little by little. If those lines don't come out, they don't seem like they're coming out, then we're gonna go ahead and close the lever all the way. And as you guys can see, I left a little dark spot, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off the half and then go fully open, and then just start flicking at these little dark spots. And they're going away now, but they weren't going out when I had the 1.5 closed. So you know, you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. Close it up until it comes out. Now we're gonna go ahead and tack on our one card and stay below the hairline. Fully open with the one. And be light on the way up, because we don't want to leave a harsh line. So same thing with this, I left a little dark spots behind, so we're gonna go ahead and start closing the lever a little bit. I'm all the way closed right now. Halfway, almost fully closed. Now fully closed. Now open all the way. Halfway, fully closed. Open all the way. And now we're gonna go ahead and smack on that 1.5 gourd. We're gonna work out this last line. Now this isn't gonna erase, but it's going to leave a subtle line that we'll be able to get out when we close this guard. And if it doesn't go out, then we're gonna go ahead and drop down the number fully open, then start dispersing the little dark spots, and then that should get us the blurry fade. Now we're gonna go ahead and close up the 1.5. And like we said, it left a little darkness, so we're just gonna go ahead and tack on our one and start flicking at those little dark spots. And if it doesn't come out, we'll close the lever gradually. So I'm fully open right now. Just flicking, flicking. Now I see a little darkness here, and I'm gonna clip over comb just a tad bit right here. Y'all see that darkness right here? Gonna go ahead and close. Pick up, I'm gonna flick a little bit. All right, cool. And the reason why I don't take out that bottom line first is because now I get to play with the fade. I basically control where the darkness is at. That's why I just fade first. I place the darkness where I want it to be. Then I go ahead and take out that bottom line. All right, so now we're gonna get rid of the bottom line, and we're gonna go ahead and go close. We're gonna use the corners. Now we're gonna go halfway. They left some darkness right here, so I'm gonna close it. One halfway again. In between halfway and closed. Now halfway again. Now we're gonna go ahead and take out that line. We're fully open using the corners. Using that one to soften up this area a little bit. Halfway, close. Halfway.
So I saw a bit of the crows popping up here, and to achieve that lamelo ball look, as you guys can see in this picture right here, the crows pop up just a little bit. So we don't want to go straight up, we want to give it a little tilt. And once we tilt it and we cut it, since this is curls, they're gonna bounce right here. Boom, bounce right back. So we don't want to go straight up, man. Just pull out 90 degrees from wherever the hair is growing, and then go ahead and freehand all the excess here. YouTube, this is the final cut. Did I get my boy looking like LaMelo Ball? Let me know in the comment section. I had a lot of fun doing this haircut just because y'all know I was a hooper way before I was a barber. If y'all want to see me do another NBA player, don't be afraid to let me know in the comment section.